I'm 6'6". Will I fit in the 2013 Cooper Countryman? Let's check it out. I've had a lot of requests for this car because I'm tall and Coopers are known to be small, but are they really? Let's check it out. As per normal, let's get in the driver's side. Let's see how I fit. All right, so sitting in the Mini Cooper, right off the bat. So I drove this car here and it actually kind of surprised me. So I have the seat all the way back right now. And then I have, it has like kind of a pump mechanism on the side to pump your seat down or up. And I have it pumped all the way down and all the way back. And I'm in a pretty upright position like I normally am with my seated position with the driver's side. It's pretty good. Like, up at the top of my head, like if I'm in the, by the way, this little shade is really super cool. I love this. If I'm in the cutout for the sunroof, I fit great. Like there's plenty of room. A little bit less if I go over to the side, my hair starts to touch, but ultimately fairly comfortable. There is nothing when it comes to the console down here. There's nothing here except for the shifter way down here at the bottom with the cup holders. I fit great. The door over here, not a problem. And there's a lot of articulation when it comes to the steering wheel. The gauges actually come up with the steering wheel, which is kind of cool. So it's always kind of in that right spot with the steering wheel. It's very comfortable. I like it. Let's go see what the back seats fit like. Oh my goodness. So this may be where the reputation of a small car for the Mini Cooper comes into play, because when this seat is all the way back, if the front seat's all the way back into my seated position, there is no way I'm taking any trips in the back seat of this car. First of all, let's address my knees. My knees are 4 inches past the back of the seat right here. I can't even get them behind. I don't know if you can see with the camera angle here, but there's only probably like 6 inches, 8 inches maybe from the actual seat here to the back of the driver's seat. And let's address the roof here. The roof line, not good. Like I am definitely having to tilt my head forward. There is a sunroof back here, and there's a shade that kind of opens up a little bit. Like if I came up forward, I'd be fine. But no, like regular seated position, not good. There is, I don't know what this, there's a little lever underneath. I'm not sure if that scoots back, but I can't seem to get it to work. So I would say not so great when it comes to the back seat. The front seat was comfortable, not bad. I could definitely take a long trip in the front seat, but not the back seat. Ugh, let's see what the front passenger seat looks like. Follow me. Please hold. Follow me. Okay. Front passenger seat. It's hot today. It's really hot today. So if you see me sweating, that's why. Okay, front passenger seat. So I have this all the way back, and I'm going to pump it down like I did the other side. So interesting. My hair is kind of hitting the side here, which it didn't in the front driver's seat. Not sure why. Plenty of leg room right here. I seem to have pretty decent room. My leg is touching the center stack right here. It wasn't also on the driver's side. I'm not sure, but ultimately fairly comfortable. My head, like I said, I'm getting pretty close to the top here. This is all the way down with the seat. So I'm not entirely sure what the difference is between the two seats, but I would say pretty comfortable. I would be able to take a decent drive with this, but not super comfortable with my head room at this point. So let's go see what it's like in the back of a Mini Cooper. Follow me. Oh my gosh, I think I got a leg cramp. Don't recommend. sitting in the back of a Mini Cooper in the trunk. It's not a good idea. Don't do this, by the way. I'm a trunk expert, and I wouldn't even get in here. But it's better than some cars that we've done, huh? Anyway, thank you guys. I really appreciate you guys watching, liking, and subscribing. Show your friends. Your recommendations are one of the reasons why we did this car today. So keep following, and I appreciate it. Have a great day.